Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the hottest products flying off the shelves. I'm delighted to have you with us today. I'm your host, and I can't wait to dive into today's exciting feature. Today, we're counting down the best-selling key shells products on Amazon. These items are not only popular, but also incredibly functional, adding convenience and style to your everyday life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Stay tuned as we unveil the top key shells that have captured the hearts of countless Amazon shoppers. Let's go! Here at number 5, we have the Keychain for Toyota key fob cover with Keychain, a masterful blend of style, functionality, and protection. Imagine this: a sleek, vibrant key fob cover that not only turns heads, but also shields your precious key from the daily grind. This isn't just any cover. It's a statement piece. Crafted with premium TPU, this cover is super thin and soft, yet incredibly durable. It's like wrapping your key in a cloud, but a cloud that can withstand falls, shocks, scratches, and dust. The material choice is impeccable, trending and practical, ensuring your key fob looks and feels brand new every day. But let's not stop there. The Keychain cover doesn't just protect, it elevates. It transforms an ordinary key into an accessory you'll want to show off. The included metal plus textile keychain is a game changer. It's sturdy, chic, and ensures your keys are always within reach, whether you're at work, hitting the gym, or out for a night on the town. And the best part? It's unisex, designed for everyone. Now, compatibility is key, pun intended. This cover fits a range of Toyota models: Highlander, 2020 to 2022, RAV4, 2019 to 2024, Camry, 2018 to 2024, Avalon, 2019 to 2024, Corolla, 2019 to 2022, CHR, 2017 to 2024, GT86, 2017 to 2024, Prius, 2016 to 2022, and several others. Each fit is tailored to perfection, ensuring a snug, secure wrap around your key fob. Just remember, double-check your key fob with the image provided before making that purchase to avoid any hiccups. What sets Keychain apart is their unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Encounter a defect or quality issue? No problem. Keychain offers unconditional refunds or free replacements. They've got your back, providing lifetime-friendly customer service ready to assist with any concerns. In a world where first impressions matter, make sure your key fob stands out. The Keychain for Toyota. Key fob cover with Keychain isn't just a cover. It's a revolution in key protection and style. Stepping into the spotlight at number 4, we present the Pathfinder car key cover for Nissan, a dazzling blend of protection and style that's tailored for the modern, sophisticated driver. Imagine this: a key fob cover that not only guards your precious key, but also adds a touch of sparkle and elegance to your everyday routine. Designed specifically for Nissan models, this 5-button key case is the epitome of precision and style. It fits like a glove for the Altima, Armada, Maxima, Murano, Pathfinder, Rogue, Sentra, and Versa, spanning from 2013 to 2022. But here's the kicker: each cover is meticulously crafted to match the exact shape of your key. So, before you hit that buy button, make sure your key matches the picture provided. Oh, and an exciting twist: you'll receive one of 3 chic keychains at random, adding an element of surprise to your purchase. The material? Pure luxury. Crafted from premium TPU, this cover is not just about looks, it's about feel. Soft, smooth, and incredibly tactile, making it a joy to press those buttons. And don't worry about your key's functionality. The TPU material is so light and thin that it ensures full signal transmission, keeping your key's remote capabilities sharp and responsive. Protection is paramount, and Pathfinder delivers. Using advanced plating technology, this key fob cover resists fading and scratches, maintaining its pristine appearance over time. And with the included anti-lost glittery keychain, you not only secure your keys but add a bit of bling to your daily life. It's protection with a personality. Your personality. But what about peace of mind? Pathfinder stands behind its product with confidence. Enjoy a 30-day free return policy and a 365-day warranty for replacements. If you encounter any issues, Pathfinder's customer service is just a call away. ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. In a world where every detail counts, make your key fob a reflection of your style and care. The Pifug car key cover for Nissan is not just a cover, it's a celebration of elegance, protection, and reliability. Shine on, and let your keys sparkle with Pifug. Securing the number 3 spot in our countdown of best-selling key shells on Amazon is the USA Remote Key Fob Shell Case and Pad, a seamless solution for Honda owners. Let's dive into why this product is a game-changer for your key fob needs. Imagine this. You've got a worn-out key fob, but the electronics inside are still in perfect working condition. Do you need a locksmith? Absolutely not. With this innovative product, you can simply swap your original blade into this new shell. No cutting, no fuss, no locksmith required. It's as straightforward as it gets. This shell is specifically designed to fit a wide range of Honda models. Whether you drive an Accord, Civic, CR-V, Fit, Odyssey, Pilot, Ridgeline, or CR-Z, this case has you covered. It's a perfect match, ensuring your key looks as good as new and feels solid in your hand. Now, it's crucial to note that this product is a plastic shell only, no electronics included. You're preserving the inner workings of your original key fob, just giving it a fresh, sturdy exterior. And speaking of installation, it's a breeze. Detailed photos guide you through the process, making it so simple even a novice can handle it with ease. However, there's an important detail to remember. If your original remote has a transponder chip inside, you must transfer that chip into the new shell. This step is non-negotiable. Without it, your car simply won't start. But don't worry, a bit of glue and a few minutes of your time, and you'll have everything set up perfectly. In a world where convenience is king, the USA Remote Key Fob Shell Case and Pad stands out as a hero for Honda owners. It's all about making your life easier while ensuring your key fob looks and functions like new. So, for a quick, cost-effective upgrade to your key fob, look no further than this top-tier solution. It's simplicity and functionality wrapped in one sleek package. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling key shells on Amazon? Well, don't be shellfish. Give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're always keyed in on our latest updates. Coming in at number 2 in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling key shells on Amazon is the Cutting Not Required 2-key fob keyless entry, remote shell case and pad for Honda models. This product epitomizes convenience and simplicity for Honda owners looking to rejuvenate their key fobs without the hassle of visiting a locksmith. Picture this. Your trusty Honda key fob has seen better days. The buttons are worn, the shell is cracked, but it still works perfectly. Enter the Cutting Not Required Key Fob Shell Case, a straightforward solution that allows you to breathe new life into your key fob without any need for cutting or professional help. Just swap your original blade into this sleek new shell, and you're good to go. Designed to fit a range of Honda models from 2003 to 2015, this shell case is compatible with the Accord, Civic X, Pilot, and CR-V. It's tailored to perfection, ensuring a seamless fit and a fresh, sturdy feel in your hand. No electronics are included, so you're simply replacing the outer shell while keeping your original key's functionality intact. The installation process is as easy as it gets. Detailed photos guide you through each step, making it a breeze even for those who've never attempted such a task before. It's all about ease and efficiency, giving your key fob a new lease on life in just a few minutes. But here's a crucial point. If your original remote has a transponder chip inside, you must transfer that chip into the new shell. This step is vital because, without it, your car won't start. A bit of glue and a few careful minutes are all it takes to ensure everything works perfectly. In a world where time is precious and convenience is king, the Cutting Not Required Key Fob Shell Case stands out as a top choice for Honda owners. It's an easy, cost-effective solution that restores the look and feel of your key fob without any hassle. For a quick upgrade that's as simple as it is effective, this product is a must-have. Transform your key fob and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the #1 best-selling key shell on Amazon. Topping our list is the Cutting Not Required Key Fob Keyless Entry, Remote Shell Case and Pad for Honda. This product isn't just popular, it's a revolution in convenience and practicality for Honda owners everywhere. Imagine your key fob. It's seen better days, perhaps it's scratched or the buttons are wearing out. But why go through the hassle of visiting a locksmith or spending a fortune on a new one? With this top-rated key fob shell, you don't have to. Simply swap your original blade into this brand new shell. No cutting, no locksmith, no headaches. It's a straightforward, do-it-yourself solution. This shell case is designed to fit a wide range of Honda models, including the Accord from 2003 to 2014, the Civic X from 2006 to 2013, the Pilot from 2009 to 2015, and the CR-V from 2005 to 2006. It's a perfect match for your key, ensuring a seamless fit and a fresh, robust feel. This listing is for the plastic shell only, so you're retaining the original electronics, just giving them a new home. Installation is a breeze. The product includes detailed photos to guide you through each step, making the process simple even for those who aren't mechanically inclined. Within minutes, your key fob will look brand new, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. However, there's a critical step you mustn't overlook. If your original remote has a transponder chip inside, you'll need to transfer that chip into the new shell. This step is essential because, without the transponder chip, your car will not start. A small dab of glue and a bit of patience are all it takes to ensure your key fob functions flawlessly. In a world where efficiency and ease are paramount, the cutting not required. Key fob shell case and pad for Honda stands out as the ultimate choice. It's an innovative, cost-effective solution that breathes new life into your key fob without the need for professional assistance. For Honda owners looking to upgrade their key fob quickly and effortlessly, this product is a game changer. Celebrate the transformation of your key fob with the #1 best-selling key shell on Amazon. Your key deserves this upgrade, and you deserve the convenience and satisfaction it brings. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling key shells on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.